Welcome back. We are continuing to go through the different elements of Tradewinds, and learn how to use each section so you can host the best event ever. In this video, we will learn how to build baskets for your fundraising event. Before we get started, let's get an understanding what a basket is in Tradewinds. A basket can be one of two things. First, a basket can be something a benefactor has contributed as a whole item, such as a basket of candy from your favorite candy factory. In Tradewinds, we will consider this a single contributed item that can be sold as a whole at your live or silent auction. Conversely, for our purposes, a basket in Tradewinds is an item created to be sold as a single unit that is composed of a number of individual items. Tradewinds has the ability to create baskets that are made up of individual inventory items that have been assigned to the basket. Those baskets can then be sold as a whole item. Reflecting back on our video regarding the creation of items in the inventory system that were donated by benefactors, we are able to define an item as a basket item. Think of a basket item as something you really can't sell individually, but combined with a number of similar items can make a great auction item. We will start the creation of a basket at the inventory section of Tradewinds. Log into Tradewinds and navigate to the items area. In this video we will build a basket with the theme of bath products. Click on the donation button, and Tradewinds will display the donated items. For this exercise, we are going to select 3 items, designate them as being a basket item. Here are the 3 items we will be reassigning: 100% natural body lotion, handmade soap, shampoo and conditioner. To change the item type designation to basket item, click on the item record. Let's first start with the handmade soap record. The handmade soap detail screen will open. Look at the item type field and see if it has been designated as a basket item. If not, click into the field and select from the list of options, basket item. Click the close button to set the record. Make sure the other 2 items are also designated as basket items. If they are not, follow the same procedure as we did with the handmade soap to make them basket items. Now that we have our items designated as basket items, we can proceed to building a basket. Navigate to our selected event. Go to the event detail screen. Click on the Setup tab. And then, click on the Event Items tab. Lastly, click on the Make Combos Baskets tab. There you will see a complete list of every available inventory item that has been designated as a basket item. To build a basket, click on the green plus button in the lower right-hand corner. This will open a new window to begin building your basket. In the item name field, enter a name for your basket. In the short description, enter a brief description. In the auction type field, select if the basket will be sold as a silent auction item or a live item. Typically, baskets are sold as silent items. If you have a picture of the completed basket, you can drag and drop that into the photo field. Enter a detailed description of the basket. In the Contents Value field, Tradewinds will automatically calculate the value of the basket according to the items that are assigned to the basket. In the Packaging field, you can enter the cost of the basket that was acquired to build the basket. The Total Value field will calculate the total value of the basket, which includes the total value of all assigned items plus the cost of the basket. If the basket is subject to sales tax, check that box. In the bidding section, you can either leave the predetermined settings, or you can customize how the basket will be auctioned off, as we have discussed in prior videos. If you click on the tab labeled Basket Contents, this will give you a recap of all items assigned to the basket. The Donor tab will in most cases not be applicable due to the fact that the basket is made up of several items contributed by different benefactors. Click the Close button to close the window. To add items to the basket, select the basket in the basket list. Click an item you would like to add to the basket. For example, the 100% natural body lotion. Tradewinds will display a window confirming if you want to add the item to your selected basket. Click OK to add the item to the basket. Note, the selected item has now been removed from the available basket item list. Also, the baskets show one item has been added and we now have a value. Now, let's select and assign the handmade soap and shampoo. Okay, we can see we have 3 items in the basket, and the cumulative value is $90. Let's edit the basket and add the cost we paid for the basket itself. To review or edit what we have in the basket, edit the bid parameters or even print a copy of the bid sheet, click on the icon to the right of the total value of the basket. This will reopen the basket window. Let's enter the value of the basket. We paid $5, so we will enter $5 in the packaging field. The total value of the basket is now $95. If you by chance place an item in the basket in error, or just change your mind on what is in the basket, you can edit the basket. Click on the Basket Contents tab. In this case, let's remove the car buffer. Click the red X icon to the right of the item name. A confirming message will be displayed. Click OK to remove the item. The item will be removed and sent back to the available items list. When it comes to building baskets, Tradewinds makes it a breeze to build and edit baskets. Baskets are a great way to add additional items to your event. Or, maybe you can host an event based on nothing but baskets. Tradewinds gives you the tools to be creative. If you need additional help with this section of Tradewinds, or any other section, as always, we are here to help.